It's always fun to put the GoPro 13 out at night and set it to star trails, even if there aren't any stars, like on this night. Since July is a high month for lightning bugs or fireflies, I expect that the yellow streaks are made by lightning bugs. The other lights in this clip, just passing by, are airplanes trying to avoid a brewing storm. I took this Star Trail segment and speeded it up ×4. But before that, I captured several video frames showing the brewing storm in the background with the airplane streaks, and in a couple of the frames you can see lightning bolts. I captured the frames with the yellow lightning bug streaks, but I didn't crop any of these until dum dum dum. I picked the one that was the brightest and I cropped it, and then I cropped it again. And that's how I spend my time on the computer with a kitty purring over my shoulder. Thank you very much.